This channel is sponsored by Creality. Go to Creality.com and find all of your 3D printing tools.
Good morning, everybody. Beautiful day here in Colorado. It's supposed to be 80 today. And the funny thing is next weekend it's gonna snow. Welcome to Colorado. Anyway, hey guys, hope you're all doing great. We've did some work yesterday on the McLaren. Got to get the Aventador ready for the Rocky Mountain Rep Rat Festival, which is next weekend. So you'll see some footage from that. We'll have a special guest here, which will be really cool. So stay tuned for that. But let's go ahead and take a look at what we worked on yesterday and what today holds. Let's go check it out. Okay, so yesterday I went ahead and I got in the steering column. The other thing I did was I cleaned out the tub, so it was just dirty as hell, and it turns out it was so dirty I couldn't see the screw hole for the gas pedal. So the gas pedal goes in those two holes and that hole, but my gas pedal has a problem. Let's see why. So this is basically why my gas pedal has a problem, because I'm missing this little insert in here. So when I bought it, I didn't know that that insert was where the bolt hole positions were. So if you guys are doing the same thing and you're getting one of these McLaren gas pedals, check and make sure it has that, because now I had to order an entire new one. Luckily they're not that expensive. They're, you know, 50 bucks, 60 bucks. So, but the next one coming is going to have that little guy in there. So something we have to fix. Other things in the news. I got the engine start button in over here. Also mounted the two trays that for the electrical work. So we've got those in there. So now that this guy is in here solid, mounted to those trays, it just slips over the top. So yeah, the interior's looking pretty good. I fitted one of the side scoops here. This rear quarter came with this guy. We put on the broken one over here, which is missing a little bit down here, but that's carbon fiber repair. That's something I can do pretty easily. We still have this to repair, and then I just 3D printed this scoop here, so we'll put that in today. But in general, I think the car is starting to look pretty good. We have some work to do up front here. Obviously we have some gaps that we need to address by adding more plastic, and here as well, and then here for the hood. But the hood, actually, after a couple of adjustments, it's fitting pretty well. Just need the extra to really close these gaps in. So that's what we're going to be working on today. And in addition, I mounted the pod. So this is the pod for the dash itself, and just have a single screw in there. We'll probably attach these two from underneath. Depends on the access, which is not great because of the steering column, and the steering column is no small feat in getting that mounted up under there. So it requires a little bit of gymnastics, which at my age was somewhat troublesome, but I was able to do it. I just got to move slow. so if you remember on the other side, we put in these guys. So these are the mounting tabs. So those are all glued in on that side. We just finished up doing them on this side. So those will need to be clamped for a day or so. And then we were fixing this mess over here. So we basically put in a piece here. You can see under here, but I've got some of the glue in there, the ABS glue, just to kind of fill in that hole and give it a little bit more strength. So that's going to be done. One of the things that we're going to do is cover this up. So this will actually get a cover plate in there. And the reason is because it's only that one over there that we need for the windshield wiper. And that will cover up that nicely. So the other thing is that this trim goes here. I got these. This is actually from a 650S Spider, and it doesn't really fit down here. So I found some that are actually for a 570S, which is what the 600 LT is actually based on. So I got those coming, and they should fit in nicely. Also, there's this trim piece here. This one is actually from the original car. This is from the 600 LT Coupe. I just trimmed it off over here. Probably have to get another one and do the same on the other side, just so I can finish this area off. And then we 3D printed our little scoop that goes here. It actually fits in here perfectly, so that can get skinned and finished up. Let's talk about what we're printing. So we've got a piece in here which is actually part of the SVJ quarter panel. Another part in here which is also SVJ quarter panel. We've got a pile of parts over here that need to start getting put together, which is that quarter panel. So we've got all these parts, need to start gluing them. I've been working on this one, which is the door for the passenger side. So we've got all of those parts printed, and we're finishing up gluing all of these pieces together. In addition, I have actually finished printing the rocker, both inner and outer part for the passenger side on the SVJ. So as you can see here, that's all inner and outer, and we'll bond those together once we get them on the car itself. So that's great. We're almost done with printing each side. So we just need the two quarter panels, and then we can start printing the rear deck, rear bumper, engine cover, and the hood and the front bumper. So So that's this one. Basically, hopefully we'll probably in the next 2 weeks, we'll head over to the new, what we're going to call the SVJ, the Aventador, and start getting panels on that that we've been printing, as you see in the basement. And we'll still be working on this because we're getting really close to, I'm going to get a battery for it, and we're going to start working on the roof mechanism. And then I'm going to start skinning the panels, as I got to get some of them working
the way I want, but some of them are ready to go. And so basically, you're going to start body working those and getting those ready to get skinned. So exciting work. Stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Hit that like button. Always helps us out. And hit the notification bell if you want to know about new videos. So anyway, exciting next week. So hopefully you'll stay tuned for that one, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.